Crete, Sardinia, Balearic Islands, islands of Europe in the Mediterranean. Different in language, culture, landscape, united by an ancient history and a deep connection with the sea. Here, in these islands, food is born from ancient balances between nature, work, and time. On these islands, for millennia, life has adapted to the rhythms of the land and the sea. Here, civilizations developed that knew the value of water, the cycle of the seasons, of waiting. Sustainability in these islands is not a new idea. It is an ancient habit. Intense reds, like the sunset on the rocks. Luminous whites, like the light on the sea. In Sardinia, a glass of good wine is the thread that unites generations. The cheeses enclose the breadth of the pastures, where animals feed freely, and the knowledge of the shepherds transforms milk into sheep, cow, and goat cheeses, different flavors, but all authentic. Rice, a simple and precious food, is born where water mirrors the sky. The oil is born from olive trees that have watched over these lands for centuries. A green gold that accompanies every dish. In the Balearic Islands, tomatoes are a gift for winter. Harvested in summer, they are preserved for months, bringing flavor and substance to daily cooking. The oil carries the light of the island. Carob, sweet like cocoa and light like vanilla, is transformed into flowers, desserts, and creams, an ancient fruit that is now rediscovered as a healthy and sustainable food, capable of growing where the land is most arid. The sobrasada de Mallorca de Cerdo Negro is obtained from an indigenous black pig, raised freely and fed with figs and carob, a product that preserves the taste of the land and the rhythm of rural life. In Crete, wine has roots that go back to the Minoan era, when it already flowed on the tables of the first Mediterranean civilizations. Today, numerous wineries preserve this heritage, valuing local grape varieties and transforming them into wines that smell of sea and rock. Graviera guards the strength of the pastures of the Silurides Plateau, a cheese that preserves the memory of grass and sun. Crete's oil is the gift of monumental olive groves of Vouves and Cavusi, trees that for thousands of years have continued to offer their fruits to man. In these islands, products are not manufactured. They are cultivated, they are transformed, they are respected. In the Mediterranean islands, traditions are not an immobile legacy, but a living knowledge. They are practices born from the observation of nature, handed down because they are good, because they are right. And even today, they are renewed with research and experience to become ever better. Traditions that belong to local communities and, together, to the broader heritage of Europe. Sustainable agriculture protects land and water, reduces the use of pesticides, and preserves biodiversity. It is a barrier to climate change. It stores carbon in the soil, reduces emissions, strengthens the resilience of natural systems. It is also respect for animals, raised freely, in harmony with the pastures and the cycles of nature. Thus, the territory breathes, healthier, more fertile, stronger in the face of the future. A sustainable product is not just an ethical choice. It is also a choice of quality. Because when you cultivate without exploiting, you preserve the taste. When you respect nature's time, you get a truer food. Products that restore well-being to those who consume them because they are good in taste and right in the values they embody. The products of Sardinia, the Balearic Islands, and Crete do not only speak of their islands. The certifications that accompany them are seals of guarantee, proof of a link with a system of rules and values shared throughout Europe. Each brand tells of quality, traceability, respect for nature, and for those who produce. They are products that speak with a European voice. Crete, Sardinia, Balearic Islands, European islands in the Mediterranean, 3 different territories, a common vision. An agriculture that originates from the landscape and protects it. Today, the authentic flavors of Crete, Sardinia, and the Balearic Islands do not only live in local markets. They are present on the shelves of specialized shops in Germany and easily available also for chefs and buyers. Certified, quality products that bring the taste and sustainability of the Mediterranean to the heart of Europe.